Hey dolls, welcome back. It's FabFitFun unboxing day and I'm so excited. I unbox these every season of my life and have for years. If you haven't been doing FabFitFun, I'm going to show you why you should. The anti-aging products alone are amazing, but all the other goodies too, bonus. So if you're interested in seeing what came in this season's box, keep watching. So every season, FabFitFun sends a box of goodies. And as a premium member, I have been able to customize what I want to get in the box. Now, essentially what I love about FabFitFun is one of the biggest things, when you get your box of goodies, they're not just little samples. They're not like, teeny tiny little travel size things that you can try. They are full size of anything that you get. But there's also lifestyle stuff that you get and little things that you could wear. I mean, literally everything. FabFitFun is amazing. Every time I do an unboxing, I always post on Instagram. And I have years worth of posts because I love this so much. So I was really excited to do my FabFitFun unboxing for you, and this is the Spring 2021 box. Here we go. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So right out of the gate, I did personalize my box, which means I get a certain amount of items that I want to get. And then there's certain items that you will get regardless. So companies that are doing promotions on new products and so forth, that's typically how it works. You also get really fun little goodies. You get different discounts on things. Today I got a little pack of stickers, that's cute. And then you get a magazine chock full of info about the stuff that you got in your box and how to use it, other things that you could still purchase if you go to the website, but it's absolutely amazing. It is just an amazing magazine with recipes, all kinds of cool stuff. I also get HelloFresh coupons, something I've been really dying to try, and they make it easy because right out of the gate, 13 free meals. I might have to check that out. And then vitamins and so forth. So there's all kinds of things that come in the box right out of the gate. The first thing you do when you do a FabFitFun unboxing is you grab your magazine chock full of info and you turn to the page called What's in the Box. And you do that because some of the items, if you didn't customize, you want to know exactly what it is and what it does for you. So the first thing that I got, which I'm really excited about, is 4 pieces of gold foil lip masks. It's called Suns Out, Pouts Out. How cute. And this is by SF Glow. So these are what I get. Again, 4 different little lip masks that are so adorable. I can't wait to bust into these gold foil lip masks. Ooh, I'm loving what's going on already. So I'm gonna look here for the lip foil masks and tell you exactly what they do. Here they are, number 7A. Okay. Kiss Dry Lips Goodbye. Botanical extracts deeply hydrate and condition the lips for a smoother pout in minutes. And this is a $16 value. Very cool. Okay, the next thing I got is by Earth Harbor and it's called Marina. And number 6C, there it is. Earth Harbor Marina Biome. This oil features spirulina and blue tansy to vigorously brighten and balance the skin. This particular product has a $38 value. And this is what it looks like. So it looks like a really nice, well-packaged product. It does come with a serum dropper, and that I always appreciate. So I'm really excited about jumping into this one and seeing what it does. The next thing I got is by Alchemist, and it is a Biological Beauty Body Cream. So let's find it in here. I'm really excited about this one because, again, the full sizes are really, really key. Okay, so there it is, Grown Alchemist Body Cream in Mandarin and Rosemary Leaf. Ooh, that must smell delicious. Nourish and hydrate your body with a blend of patent bioactive ingredients. This particular tube, again, it's full size, is a $26 value. I'm gonna see how it smells. Oh my goodness. Oh man. Okay, I'm excited about that. Yeah, Grown Alchemist is a really great product. I've gotten Grown Alchemist products from FabFitFun before, and this is the first time I'm getting this body cream. It's exciting. All right, the next thing. Oh, how cute. These are, what are they? That's always fun when you don't really know what you're getting. It's like, yay. Okay, the name of the company is called Say Reusable Beauty Rounds. It's a 3-pack, so ditch your makeup wipes for these reusable cotton rounds. This particular package has a $15 value. That's pretty darn good. So now we're starting to not waste and being able to use these little beauty rounds. How cute are those? And by the way, today is technically, because I'm recording, March 8th. So happy International Women's Day, hence the purple. Love that. Yeah, these are really cute. I'm excited about those. Okay, the next thing I got, and this was something that I customized and asked for. It's by Halston. It is a 1 pair of socks plus a pumice stone. And what I like about the socks, they are aloe infused gel lined socks, and this is going to help keep my feet softer. I mean, first of all, you can't go wrong with Halston, but these socks are really nice and weighty, but inside is full gel. Outside, they're sticky socks, so you're not going to slip. These are absolutely gorgeous. The quality is unbelievable. And a really nice size pumice stone. Love it. Love, love, love. They are a value of $40. It's a $40 value. Pretty cool. Okay, the next thing. I actually customized this. I wanted it. Don't judge, but I thought it was so cute. Check out my Alice and Olivia bucket hat. So cute. And by the way, it's reversible. Oh my gosh, I actually have to put this on for you. I am loving what is happening here. Look, we're gonna kind of Gilligan it a little bit. How adorable is this? You have to admit it. Oh yeah. That's really cute. And by the way, again, it is reversible. Love, love, love. So let's do that again. Oh, I just can't. This is so cute. Love my little bucket hat. And by the way, this little reversible bucket hat is an $85 value. $85. Loving my little reversible bucket hat. But here's what I did. Not only did I get the reversible bucket hat with the daisies, because they're just too stinking cute, but I also got the Allison Olivia tote. Of course I did. Hi, who wouldn't? It's so adorable. The value is $150. So, just to be clear, my annual membership for FabFitFun is about $179, something like that, for 4 seasons worth of boxes. This tote alone is $150. Are we thinking that this pays for itself immediately? Absolutely. Look at how adorable. So cute. And then of course you get the long strap with it. But I am just obsessed with what's going on here. This is so adorable. It's my little duffel bag with my little matching hat. How cute am I? Maybe a little cheesy, but well, I'll take cheesy. Look at how cute it is. Honestly. So when we tally up what we got today, this is what we come up with. $150 for the tote, $85 for my bucket hat, $40 for my gel socks and pumice, $26 for my Grown Alchemist body lotion, $15 for my reusable beauty rounds, $38 for my Earth Harbor Marina Biome, and $16 for my SF Glow Gold Foil Lip Masks. Totaling, I know, it's worth it. So again, when I talk about FabFitFun to my friends, my family, my Instagram, I talk about it for a reason. It's phenomenal. And I'll put a link down below so you guys can check it out, because you can actually do one box, see how you like it, and if you do, you can continue for the year. But as you can see, it pays for itself right out of the gate with your very first box. So now I'll be looking forward to the rest of my FabFitFun boxes for the rest of the year. I got my spring box 2021. Soon I'll get summer, then fall, then winter. I'm excited.